These are the benefits of using Biocomplex F comparison to typical farm and treated to EcoGea Biocomplex. You can see significantly reduced mortality, rejects, increased weight. You can see also how much they invested in the product, 3,200 pounds, and the weight gain only bring in more than 12,000 pounds per crop. Mortality was calculated for an average profit on 9,000 pounds per crop, and rejects are also significant at 1,500, 600 pounds per crop. If you are interested on how it's working, how it's administered, you can send me a DM or contact us via email.